Not all of the gears need to be twisting, but when you twist the gear on the one side of the tray, it needs to be able to twist the gear on the opposite side of the tray. This is the IQ Gears packing puzzle. It has 5 different difficulty levels. Today we're going to be going through 3 of them. Level 30, 94, and 115. The orange, the pink, and the purple. Now that you have the pieces packed into the tray, all you have to do is take the rest of these pieces and fit them into the tray. In this level here, we can see we can place the blue there, we can place the green on the bottom, the red can go over here, and the yellow can go up top. But if we twist the gear on either side of the tray, it's not actually spinning, so we got to figure out something else to fill in these pieces. If we take the blue and flip it here, you can see there's nothing that's going to rotate that gear. So if we take the yellow and we place it here, we can rotate the gears throughout the puzzle. We can place the blue up here, but unfortunately we can't fit the green on the tray. We can take the yellow and we can flip it in here. And lastly, we can put the green gear there, which makes it really close to turning the gear on this side, but unfortunately it still doesn't turn yet. We have to have a piece that connects with it. So if we connect the red there, now we can twist the gear on the opposite side of the tray. Click that subscribe button to access more videos from Puzzle Master, one of the world's largest retailers of puzzles. Going on to level 94, you can see that they've taken away the colors and they only give you the gears. You can put the yellow is right here, as we have these 3 gears and a space beneath it. And then in the corner, you can see we're going to need a piece that has no gear in the corner. So we can either use the pink or the green. I think I'm going to do the green because we need 2 gears up here and then 1 more gear and a space. That is where we can use the purple. But unfortunately, if we put this piece in the corner, we would not have a gear to sit in this corner of the puzzle. So if we take the purple piece and place the purple there, we have a gear and then 2 spaces. We need a gear that has 2 gears and a space next to it. That is where the orange gear comes into place. And then in this row, we need a space, a gear, and a space. If we put this piece here, we have the space and the gear. And then if we put this piece next to that, that adds the space that we need. And the last piece that can fit in the tray is the red one right there. And as long as we twist this gear on this side of the puzzle and it twists the gear on the opposite side of the puzzle, then that is the correct solution. Level 115, we need the purple piece and the red piece. If we place the yellow this way, we could have this here and we could flip the green over here. If we take the green piece, we can place it here. If we take the pink piece, we can place it in this corner. If we have a yellow piece, we can place it here. The orange piece can go right here. And lastly, the blue in the center. Just because we have the pieces packed correctly does not mean the puzzle is solved. We can take the blue and change it for the yellow as it is the exact same shape of the piece. And we're so close to solving it, but unfortunately this blue piece can't go right there. If we take this piece and we flip it here and we put the yellow back over here, unfortunately, that does not allow us to twist much of anything. We take the yellow and place it here. It doesn't look like we can fit the rest of the pieces onto the tray together. So instead, take this piece out and add the blue piece over here. Next, we can take the orange piece and place it on this side so it connects with the gear. If we take this piece and we flip it up, lastly, we can fit the green piece right here. And once the gear spins the gear on the opposite side of the tray, you know you've solved the puzzle. To get the IQ gears and other amazing puzzles like this, go check them out at puzzlemaster.ca.